5 a.m. and I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know.
I decided to come on board to the creative class because I really love the assembly in general.
She wants me to take her home.
It talks to you guys about, building your audience and then making your brand sustainable.
It has helped me to come out of my shell, meeting people, networking with others, learning so much.
Making sure that your images stand out is very important.
I've learned to be able to align what my values for my business are.
I really love the idea of sharing knowledge with younger and up-and-coming Nigerians.
I've learned so much about my brand.
When you grow your audience and you take the time to do it, those people are more organic followers that you can actually turn into.
I got to learn about curation.
This has really taught me how to target my exact market.
It takes time to create that niche, but it's worth it.
It's been a wonderful experience.
Enlightening for me.
I'm really impressed by the quality, soaking in everything you're doing.